Bringing in video reference into Sequencer is super duper easy. All you have to do is drag and drop your movie file into the content browser. Then you drag and drop it into your level. You can position it as you want, no need to scale at the moment. And then you have to add it to your level sequence. So first add it to the engine, add it to your level, then add it to your level sequence. You'll see this message here, disable autoplay, click no. Then it'll take a minute, but it will load, and you'll see that it'll automatically scale to my reference already. If you want to make it bigger, you can scale it. And if you want to parent it to the camera, you would do that through the parent constraints here. So you would select this, hit the constraints, parent, find your camera, and then if I move my camera, you'll see that the reference goes with it. So just one tip, make sure you shoot your reference at the same frame rate. I'm animating for games, so I'm animating at 30 frames a second here. If you're animating for film, you do it to 24, so just make sure whenever you record your video reference, you film at the correct frame rate. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Happy animating!